Assalamu alaikum students. It is a biology lecture of class 10, unit 12, coordination and control. Today's topic is human eye, presented by Shabnam Firdaus. We know that the organs or parts which are specially built to detect particular type of stimuli are called sense organs or receptors. Main receptors in man are eyes, ears, nose, taste buds, receptors of touch, heat and cold, etc. Human eye. Our eyes are located in small portion of skull known as the orbits or eye sockets. Eyelid wipe eyes and prevent dehydration. They spread tears on eyes which contain substance for fighting bacterial infections. Eyelashes prevent fine particles from entering eye. The structure of eye can be divided into three main layers: sclera, choroid and retina. The outer layer of eyeball consists of sclera and cornea. Sclera gives eye most of its white color. It consists of dense connective tissue and protects the inner components of eye and maintain its shape. In the front, sclera form the transparent cornea. Cornea admits light to the interior of eye and bends light rays so that they can be brought to a focus. The middle layer is called choroid. It contains blood vessels and gives the inner eye a dark color. The dark color prevents disruptive reflections within eye. Behind cornea, choroid bends to form a muscular ring called iris. There is round hole called pupil in the center of iris. After striking the cornea, light passes through the pupil. The size of the pupil is adjusted by the muscles of iris. Pupil contracts in bright light when the circular muscles of iris contract. Similarly, pupils dilate in the dim light when the radial muscles of the iris contract. Behind iris, there is a convex lens which focuses light on retina. Lens is attached to ciliary muscles of eye via a ring of suspensory ligament. To clearly see on object far away, ciliary muscles are relaxed and lens become less convex. While ciliary muscles contract, lens become more convex and round. So, I hope you have understood the structure of eye. Thanks.